Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this YOTO audio player bundle along with some accessories I got for it. I'm very excited to share this unboxing because I have been eyeing this product for a long time. My options was between Tony's and YOTO. The Tony's were heavily marketed in like Walmart, Sam's Club, but I decided to dig a little bit deeper and I noticed that YOTO will work for a family in the long run, especially when I have older kids. So I got this bundle like as a Christmas discounted pricing. It's a classic collection. It has like 6 cards in each of the classic collections. There's volume 1 and volume 2. There's You can see there's the stories there, and then I got like 3 pieces of the make your own story time or make your own cards. And I got this Princess storybook. I also got a Pixar storybook collection. So that's plenty for my children, and then I'm gonna figure out on what to make on my own cards. You could put some music in it, podcast, or anything that you prefer. So there's so much flexibility. So here are the details or the functions in the YOTO. You could like use it as an alarm clock, a night light. So it's very flexible, and there is also a separate wireless charger if you want to buy it. But right now it only comes with a wired charging. So it came with an extra make your own card, which is really nice. The packaging is very sturdy. Here is the instruction card. So I'll just scan this instruction card very quickly. This video will just be mainly just an unboxing. I'll show you the features of the YOTO itself on another video. Maybe I'll record another video once we've used it for like a month and see how my children like it. So yes, here's a quick view of the instruction, and here is the actual product. There's the charger, and I've actually already charged this so that I could unbox and do the video. So when you like flip it over like on the house shape, it will show you the nightlight. And here's my children, they're very excited. So it comes with 2 buttons on either side. One is for volume control, the one on the right, and then the one on the left is for like choosing the story or the song that you would like. And then I got this sleeve for the YOTO my make your own cards. So you're supposed to like put some inserts in it if you want to change like the topic in the cards. And I've also got a silicone sleeve for the YOTO. It did not come with it, which is a bummer, but you can buy like a third party, not the YOTO, actual YOTO silicone sleeve, because they're kind of pricey. Just I bought one for like $10, which is much cheaper, and it will protect the YOTO. So here are like a quick here is a quick view of the stories inside the classic volume. So this is our video for today. I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.